What's up, everybody, and welcome back to part 2 of getting started in film photography. As I stated at the end of part 1 of this series, I'm going to be going out and shooting a cheap 35mm camera to show you guys that you can get good results on a camera that doesn't cost a lot of money. Specifically, I'll be shooting this camera. Isn't it lovely? The Ricoh KR-5 Super II. Like I stated, I found this camera at a thrift store, $8, and then I went on eBay and bought this lens for like $25. It is a 50mm f2 lens. Super lightweight. I don't have a battery in it, so I will be metering my light with an external meter, which I don't have on my desk right now, but that's okay. Let's head out and see what kind of results we can get with this very affordable 35mm camera. Alright, so by now you have seen the results of my outing to Venice Beach. I stayed at the skate park because I really like the skate park and I like trying to capture the action. And I chose to shoot the Ilford Pan F 50. It's not a very expensive film, but I chose to shoot it because I had a roll that I didn't pay for that I got for Christmas. So for me, it was extremely cheap. Also, it's extremely sunny out and nice, so shooting a 50 ounce of film, it was the perfect day to do so I had to do it, and I did. I have to say, working with this camera was a lot of fun for me. It's very lightweight, it's very unimposing. People, when they see film cameras, they don't get as guarded. In fact, they tend to be more interested in what you're shooting on. A lot of times when you go out and you're shooting and we have a big DSLR camera, people feel a little apprehensive and defensive. They don't want you taking their photo because they feel like it's going to be used for something commercial. They're going to end up on, you know, a website, something they didn't ask for, something like that. They just get kind of nervous. But when you shoot a film camera, people typically ignore you. They don't take you that seriously. I don't know what it is. It's just not as intimidating as having a big DSLR camera or like a fancy looking digital camera. If anything, people come up and they talk to you. They're like, what are you shooting on? Oh, really? People still make film? You can still get film? And I'm usually like, yeah, you sure can. Now that you've seen that you can get good results on a cheap 35mm film camera, go to your local thrift store, go to your local flea market, or check out eBay to see what kind of deals you can find. Before you go, make sure you give this video a like if you found it helpful. Comment below and let me know what you thought of this $8 camera. And subscribe to the channel as part 3 will be on the way very soon. Alright everybody, peace.